Welcome. In this video, we'll discuss the causes of decay despite cleaning them and what's the most effective thanks to rebuilding your teeth and gums and get obviate decay quickly and during a few weeks. We will also talk about tooth decay, the causes of decay despite cleaning, types of the cavity, tips for preventing caries, treat and rebuild your teeth and your gums and eliminate caries. Dental caries is one of the foremost common health problems within the world, and it's a weakness within the structure of the teeth, and it develops and grows if left untreated, where the tooth weakens, and it forms holes in it. Symptoms of decay are pain, sensitivity from hot or cold drinks, holes, and bad breath. The causes of cavity despite cleansing. The causes of caries are many and multiple, including eat plenty of foods that contain carbohydrates, like sweets, soft drinks, sugars, and starches. The presence of bacteria that cause a cavity, like rod-shaped bacteria and spherical-shaped bacteria. Malnutrition during the amount of tooth formation, where consumed foods, like phosphate and calcium, some minerals are countermined. Drinking water. Time plays a very important role in decay by not cleaning the teeth regularly, which causes an absence of control of the dental plaque that forms on the teeth. There are three varieties of dental caries: tooth surface decay, decay from the skin, as bacteria attack the enamel layer. Mills caries, that's molar caries, bacteria attack the crevices and gaps in mills. Dental root decay, where decay appears at the dental root, and this kind of decay occurs with the elderly. Tips for preventing tooth decay: cleaning and brushing the teeth after drinking and eating to tighten the gaps between the teeth. Drink water from taps. Rinse your mouth with mouthwash. Use an antibacterial when needed. Eat healthy foods that maintain and strengthen dental health and keep one's distance from all sugary and fizzy foods. Tooth decay is treated by employing a product that works to rebuild your teeth and gums and eliminate dental caries. Well, I will be able to put one among these products for you within the description below the video. The way this product works is incredibly simple. After all, gum disease, tooth decay, or bad breath has nothing to try to do together with your oral hygiene, but with life-threatening bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating from your roots and spreading sort of a plague into the throat, nose, and airways. No thanks to clean your teeth can get to the places where dangerous bacteria are hiding, and therefore the only substance that may get to where the bacteria are hiding is saliva. The only solution is to show your saliva into an incredibly powerful antiseptic and tooth tonic using natural but extremely powerful ingredients. This method is basically inexpensive, has no side effects, and works very well. And thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends to present the benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.